Okay, so if you've been going to work on the Ford Fiesta and this happens, and that's it, it's broken. How do you now get into the bonnet? Things snap. Now how do you get in your bonnet? So this happened to me when I was working on the car. I've made up this little piece here, okay? So all we're going to do is, you can see the little gap in there. We feed it through, and what we do is we feel around and we will hook onto it quite simply. And once I've hooked on, you're pulling it forward and there you are, open. So basically what happens is the plastic gets bristled over a certain amount of time, because obviously it's in the engine bay, and all it does is it clips on, or it bolts onto this. So I'm out with a broken one, and we bought this aftermarket copy version. Okay, feed it through the hole. You see when it comes to the other side, it actually sits in there quite nicely. Now the nut and bolt had disappeared, everything had disappeared on this car, so I provided another bolt, and it's as simple as put it through and washer and nut. Put a washer and nut on, and then we can do it back up again. Okay, a washer and nut. I can't really show you very much because obviously you can see all I'm doing is putting a washer and nut on it, and then we're going to tighten it up, but not too tight because this has to pivot. Okay, so we want it to sit inside the hole. Now what I'm actually going to do, so it can still pivot, is I'm actually going to stick another nut underneath it to bolt onto that one. Got another nut that I'm going to put underneath, and that will tighten up on the other nut and tighten the two together. That will mean it will still pivot, but it won't get too tight. Okay, pair of pliers in there just to hold it still. There isn't a lot of room in here, but you can get a little pair of needle nose in here. Just as that, I mean, you can just about see I can get a pair of needle nose on the bottom of it, just to hold it still while I do the top half up with a screwdriver. And now we can see it operates freely, releases, and that's it. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hey, why not even leave me a comment. We'll see you again very, very soon.